Cheating. Cheating dreams rarely have anything to actually do with infidelity. Cheating dreams are usually about insecurity, low self-esteem, and fear of abandonment. Being cheated on points to neglect. Being cheated on points to fear of abandonment. Being cheated on points to low self-esteem. Being cheated on points to lack of trust. A lack of attention from your mate may trigger a dream where your mate is having an affair. Dreams where you are the cheater often indicate that you have feelings of guilt and self-betrayal. Your affair with someone else may be about some quality in this person that you need to incorporate or acknowledge within your own self. To dream of cheating on your partner romantically represents impulsive choices, or doing something that you can't resist. Dreaming of yourself cheating on a partner can also represent a change of current beliefs or having different opinions than your partner. These kind of dreams often represent that you're giving too much time and attention to something in your life. Cheating dreams may also reflect the intensity of your sexual passion. The dream may actually serve as a reaffirmation of your commitment to your relationship. Dreaming of your infidelity suggests that your needs are not being satisfied by your significant other. Dreaming that your partner is cheating on you usually represents some kind of anxiety or worry that you have about your own personal feelings towards yourself. When someone is cheating on you, it can also represent a lack of control in your life. To dream of a partner cheating on you represents bad choices that have consequences or dire repercussions. To dream that your mate, spouse, or significant other is cheating on you also indicates your fears of being abandoned. Dreaming of being cheated on could point to some aspects of your relationship that need work. Alternatively, you may feel that you are not measuring up to the expectations of others. Infidelity dreams suggests that your needs are not being satisfied by your significant other. If you are approaching your own wedding date, then it is not uncommon to have dreams about cheating with partners other than your intended spouse. If your partner cheats with a stranger, you are probably feeling cheated out of quality time and attention. If your partner cheats with an ex, it usually is a sign that you're jealous of something your ex has. If your partner cheats with someone you are close to, it may indicate that this person has something that represents what you want. To dream about your husband cheating with your best friend means that you could be feeling betrayed by your friend in waking life. If you dream of your wife or husband cheating on you with your friend or someone you know, then it is likely a reflection of your insecurity around this person more than it is a warning of actual cheating. To catch your husband cheating on you with your sister in a dream is positive and associated with the emotional conflicts you have. The problems will solve on their own accord eventually. A dream where you and your partner are on a double date simply means that you are in a route and want to add some spice. Cheating dreams reveal deep and hidden meanings about your current mood and the existing situations in your waking life. If you are cheating with a stranger, you are splitting your attention in too many directions. If you're cheating with an ex, it may suggest that you are still healing from a past relationship that you might be bringing into this relationship. Dreaming of having an affair with your ex is your subconscious mind's attempt to repair something in the past that went wrong. Pregnant women often dream of their husbands cheating on them. This is a reflection of their insecurity about keeping their husbands interested in them sexually while their bodies change during the pregnancy. Men with pregnant wives also often dream of their wives cheating on them. This is a reflection of their expectations of unpleasant lifestyle changes when the baby comes, as their wife cares for the child or feels that the baby is more important to her. A dream where you go at it with an ex, a friend, or your boss represents that you're giving too much time and attention to something in your life, to the detriment of your relationship. Dream that you got caught is directly connected to something in waking life you feel guilty about. Such a dream can also mean that you may have a need to experiment. To dream about your partner with some other woman in your own house represents some minor family issues you will be facing in the near future. To dream about someone's husband with another woman denotes your obsession with other people's lives. To dream of your husband being in love with another woman indicates you may fall in love with someone else and you won't be able to stop it. Dreaming that your partner is in love with another woman can indicate that you are wrestling with difficult feelings at the moment. Perhaps there is a goal you'd like to achieve, but you have failed or you're having a hard time attaining it. To dream of your husband with another woman in a public place foretells a fear of public humiliation. To dream about your husband fighting with another woman that he knows in real life denotes your insecurity and jealousy. You could be fighting feelings and anxieties in waking life. To dream of cheating may reflect an awareness of lack of ethics, low standards, or behavior focused on shortcuts. Cheating may reflect a lack of respect for rules or that you are better than others. Your feeling during the dream is really important to note. If you felt satisfaction and enjoyment out of the affair in your dream, then you definitely desire something more out of your current relationship. If you feel bad about cheating, then there is something in your waking life that you feel extremely guilty about. Whenever a dream about a cheating spouse, boyfriend, or girlfriend turns out to be real, it often means you have a strong sixth sense of the things around you. Your unconscious mind is better at reading the subtle signs that your conscious mind has either overlooked or simply blocked out in order to avoid hurt.